All right. A lot of people have asked me before to do a bunch of like example solves and sort of go over how I one look. I've always been pretty hesitant to do this type of thing just because the way I one look, I don't really know if I can explain it that well. A lot of it is sort of based on like my experiences of just doing this event and sort of just figuring out what is good and what isn't. I think one big thing with one looking that I normally like sometimes I'll do is that I'll sort of do a partial one look where I'll see like I'll get an idea of what a case is, and then from there I'll know if the layer is worth continuing looking at. I don't know, it's really hard to explain, but I don't know, I'm gonna try to do my best, but yeah. These 5 scrambles, I haven't actually looked at them yet, so this will be the first time looking at them. Okay, so first one, there's a couple bars. Bars are the main thing I look at. On blue, you can do like this 5 move EG2 layer. It gives the U case, which I don't know, most of those type of EG2s are not that good, so I would probably ignore that pretty quick. On orange, you can do 5 moves, and this is going to give. This is a swirl, peanut swirl, and this is a pretty good one. And that's actually a pretty good solution, so I might do that. But let's keep looking. Blue, orange. Okay, and then no, let's do this. So on green, you can do this 4 move EG2 layer, except yeah. So this actually cancels into the EG2. It's one of the best EG2s. It's just this like sledge case. So you can do like it's like that. Yeah. So you just do that and that. So it's actually just an 8 movers. That's pretty good scramble. All right. Second scramble. First thing I see, there's this little EG2 block, and it's a 3 move case. It gives a peanut though, and I don't know peanut EG2 yet, so let's skip it for now. On green, there's a 4 move layer, and it's going to give a sledge type thing, not sledge, U, I guess. And I don't know, that case is pretty good, but it's a weird rotation, so I'd look for some other things. On orange, it doesn't look great. Just check yellow. The thing with this yellow layer is I would see it, and I know it's like 3 moves and then twisted a corner. Like, I don't really know TCL that well, but I'm pretty good with one looking this type of layer. So I would look at this one look, and I would see that's this, which I don't know, it's not great. Also, overall, I'm not finding too much on this scramble, which is unfortunate. I guess there's also this 4 move layer on orange where you can do. Okay, this is actually really good. This is you 4 moves, and it gives this peanut O, and you can cancel into it because it's just like twisting the corner twice. So you these 2 moves, and then like that. All right. The scramble, orange doesn't look that good. Green, okay, there's a couple different ways you can do green. So the first thing is you can insert this corner and sort of set up to this case, which you can one look. These corners stay the same. These two swap. These two swap. It gives a swirl perm, which is actually pretty good because you can cancel into it in this case. The other way you can do green is you can do this corner first and then sort of cancel into this case, like the layer in the 0.75. Which this corner is going to end up here, this corner is going to end up there, so it's going to be hedge, and it's going to be like hedge operm. I don't know the good algebra for that, so I probably wouldn't do that, and I would just do the other one that I found before, this one. Or oops, I messed it up, but yeah. All right. Okay, this scramble, this doesn't look great. There's a couple of things, I guess. So on red, there's a 3-move face, but again, it's a or 3-move EG2 face, but again, it's a EG2 I don't know because it's peanut. I need to learn those still. Other than that, so you can also this sort of layer, even though it's going to be a lot of moves, but it's decently easy to one look if you just solve these two and then you leave this twisted corner, because like this whole side of the cube kind of stays intact. This corner is not going to move. This corner is going to move up here and then twist over here, so it's going to be some pie case, and then this is going to end up back there, so that center is going to be solved, and then it's blues here, oranges here, so it's going to be like X perm, which I don't know, it's not great, but it's probably all I would have time to look at on that scramble, unfortunately. Okay, another 3-move EG2 face, but it gives peanut again, don't know it. The 4-move layer, it gives peanut plus a plus like the sledge thing, yeah, that. That's decently good. It's good enough at least for a solution, and I'm not really seeing much else, so I'd probably just end up doing that. So hedge, sledge, yeah. I don't know how helpful that was. Sorry if it was not helpful, but hopefully that gives you some sort of insight into how I approach my solves.